You knew this one was coming. The Irish for cow is bow. A dairy cow then is bow vanna. Makes sense. And the word for a calf is lie or gowan.
If you're feeding Tátu ag bahu, which comes from baha, meaning food or life.
I'll leave you with a shanukkel. I always say Irish is the best language to describe farming, and this is a really good one for farmers surviving the calving season at the moment. An té ná bíonn bólacht chnucaige, bíonn suaines hupaige. So an té ná bíonn bólacht chnucaige. He who doesn't have cattle on the hill, bíonn suaines hupaige. He can rest easy at night. Literally, he has peace on the sop. That word sop has actually entered Hiberno English as a sop of grass or hay or straw. But it gives us an insight into Irish history that beds and mattresses were just straw. So now, there you go.